Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I was doing my rounds. There's some pink lady apples flowering, or about to flower. I was doing my rounds around the garden. I've been working all day, especially to provide for my family. And I walked by, and I haven't seen this in a long time, but it just struck me, and just how, I don't know why, but it struck me on how precious life is. When I walked by my sour plum, the green sour plum, also known as genetic, what we call it genetic, I noticed this little bee floating. And that's sad. I don't know if I could really focus on it really well. I just, when I saw this, I just realized how precious life is. Even though it's a bee, they work tirelessly, and to end their life like this. Good night, my friend. You did good. Just, you flew into the wrong tree, I guess. And the spider has to be somewhere. I don't know where it is. I'm not going to hurt the spider. The spider was only doing their job. Look at this. The sun's finally coming out. Happy gardening, everyone.